Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Poland's Garage. In today's video I'm going to show you really quickly how to replace a few air filter on your Toyota Prius. This is specifically the 4th generation Prius with the 1.8 liter engine. It's actually really simple, you don't have to pay anyone to do it. You can order this filter off eBay for about $7 with tax and shipping. All you do, you just unclip this clip and this one, and this whole assembly slides out. This is your old filter, just remove it just like this and you slap the new one in. Once you do it, you just have to make sure everything connects together. You might want to loose up this clamp, and on your car, on mine was already pre-loose, so I didn't have to do it. But if you have to loose it up, just loose it up with a Phillips screwdriver right here. You don't have to take the clamp off, just loose it up. All you do, putting it back, you slide it back in here, just like this. You have those clamps once again, you lift it up and clip it back on there, and this one as well. So make sure everything sits properly so it doesn't suck up any dirty air. Once you're at it, it's probably a smart idea to check your oil, which you would do right here, as well as top of your coolant and washer fluid. This is your coolant right here, as well as your washer fluid. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, stay tuned, see you next time, and wait for other videos. Also let me know in the comments if it was helpful or not.